Blacked Out Jeep Wrangler, welcome back. Well, here we go. Today is the day that we announce the winner. I got a lot of comments under the video, like a lot. I was initially hoping to just choose one winner myself, as in just reading through your comments and seeing who really deserved it, and I couldn't. Each and every one of your comments, honestly, were amazing. Like, I felt like each and every one of you guys deserved to get this headlight, and you guys have been following me through each and every stage of my Jeep, and so I want to thank each and every one of you guys for that, for commenting awesome comments below and giving me that inspiration to just continue and to make more videos. Honestly, I couldn't have reached this far. 10,000 subscribers, and now over 10,000, close to 10,200 subscribers. I couldn't have done it without you guys. I couldn't have reached 2 million views without you guys. So thank you all. So now it's time to do the draw. We're going to be using a website software. I'm going to switch the camera around, and you guys can see how this is actually done. I'm as nervous as you guys are. So yeah, let's get this going. Alright guys, so here we go. Load the comments. Okay, a total of 234 comments. Let's randomly pick the winner. Boom! Comment number 29 from Magda. So congratulations, Magda. So I'm going to be commenting below your comment mentioning that you won. I want you to reply back to that with your email address or your Instagram handle so we can continue on the conversation to get your postal address and get this shipped out to you. If I do not hear from you in a week, so today is the 25th, and so I'm going to give you a week, which will be the 1st of April. We're going to draw another winner. Congrats to everyone out there for being an awesome viewer and follower, and for helping me get this far, I guess. You know what I'm saying? Like, I couldn't have done it without you guys. So remember, if you guys are local, you can hit up GTA Jeeps for accessories and installs. And you can check out their website at gtajeeps.ca, and you can take a look at their awesome products, plus the new brand that they're carrying, which is NVE, which is the brand of this headlight. So do check them out, and I would really appreciate that. So till next time, remember, Jeep, just empty every pocket. We'll see you guys soon. Take care.